Hi everybody, we are Mary and Glen's Adventures. We are in the Osteen Diner in Osteen, Florida. And it is on the corner of Thompson Ave. We are going to be staying in Sanford, so we thought we'd take a quick trip over here and have a nice lunch. This is a really nice area. There is a lot of trees. Here's the side parking lot. Here's the Glen. Some statues. Here is the side of the building. They do have indoor and outdoor seating. Here's the door, how you get in. Oh, they have a cow over here. Do not pet or hand feed the animals. Feed only through the feeding tube. And they are miniature zebu cattle.
I know that one's Lola.
Wait, you know one of them?
You just tell by the eyelashes. Lola's the one further away from me. Remember when we came out here and there was an itty bitty baby cloud? That's the one that's further away. We're all grown up now.
Which one down there?
The one farther away from you.
How do you know their names?
We just come here all the time.
Yeah, and they told us that when she was
Oh.
born, they said they named her Lola.
Oh, so the cow furthest away is called Lola. She's the baby. This is our first time here. We're excited.
We checked it out once and kind of became regulars.
There you go.
Yeah, the big black one was so
What would you recommend to get here?
She really likes the breakfast.
Yeah, the mom's
Never had-
breakfast.
Oh, okay.
Never had anything that we didn't like.
Okay, they're beautiful. How old is Lola?
Lola's probably 3 now.
3. Aw. Well, thank you.
Yeah.
What's Mama's name?
That one we don't know.
Hi.
We've asked a couple of times and they can't remember what the owner's name is.
Oh.
That's what they named down. Lola.
Hi, Lola. Look at how pretty her eyelashes are. Both of them.
Yeah, they're on the
We just spoke to some people that have been coming here for a long time. They said there hasn't been anything that they didn't like. So here we are. It says, watch your step. Oh, this is really nice. Hi, do you have to wait? Do you have to wait to be seated?
Don't have a seat where you like.
Okay, thank you. Where do you want to sit? Want to sit here? Okay, we're going to sit right here, and this is the open kitchen that they have. And I am going to walk in the other room. Sorry. They do have another room off to the side. Home baked goods. Okay. And here is today's special. pork roast with 2 sides, grilled chicken with yellow rice, meatballs, fish and chips, meatloaf, fresh baked muffins, blueberry, cheesy potatoes, soup of the day. I see a lot of roosters. I want to see cows. Okay, so here we are. And here is the rest. The menu. So there is breakfast from the grill. House specials, biscuits and gravy, 3 egg omelets. Build your own omelet. So that was the first page. They have breakfast wraps, breakfast sandwiches, pancakes, and here are all the side orders. Appetizers. Regular size, premium size. Soups and salads.
I like that. I want it. Bye, guys.
Can get soup and half a sandwich. Specialty platters. Seafood. And all around favorites. They have melts, quesadillas, chicken or beef. And here are the sandwiches.
What are we drinking today? Okay.
Hot platters. Burgers and hot dogs. And here is the temperatures you can get.
Hi, guys.
Hi, how are you?
Drinking. Good.
Coke, please.
Dr. Pepper, please.
Thank you. Okay.
Anywhere you like, guys.
Oh, and they do have pies up there. Coconut, chocolate, apple, key lime, peanut butter, strawberry rhubarb, cheesecake, apple bread pudding. Okay, now it's decision time. What should we get?
Okay, and for you?
The Philly Cheesesteak.
Would you like the green peppers and onions in that filling? And it comes with fries. Is that all right? Okay.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
So Glenn just put in his order, and I got hash browns with onions and cheese, bacon crispy, and 1 blueberry pancake. So we'll see everything when it comes out. I just got out of my seat because I saw this sign and I wanted to show the prices. Diner since 1999, fountain drinks 10 cents, 15, 20, and hot dogs is 10 cents, hamburgers 20, cheeseburger 25, chopped barbecue 30, sliced barbecue 30, french fries 15, and onion rings. Go ahead, go ahead. And here's the other. Here's the other room again. I didn't notice this earlier. That's pretty. Look at the little raccoon sticking his head out. And there are the prices from 1999. And I just wanted to show you the ladies' room. when we first came in. I said, where are the cows? But I did find them. Here they are. It's very country looking in here. Nice and clean. It smells very good. Okay, our food just got here. So I got the bacon, the blueberry pancake, the hash browns. Yikes, that's a lot of food. And Glen got the Philly cheesesteak with peppers and onions and fries. So let's eat. So here is Glen's after. He belongs to the Clean Plate Club. Not so much me. I have one bacon left, some pancakes, and hash browns. Everything was excellent. So we got pancakes, the hash browns with cheese and onions, bacon. Glen got the Philly. And this is the bill. How much do you think it is? Oh, birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from the diner. Happy birthday to you. Oh, that was nice. So let's guess how much it is. Drum roll, please. $33.53. That's excellent. So we are back outside again, and we found out that the mama cow's name is Tina, and the baby is Lola. Oh, they were right by the fence earlier because those folks were feeding them. Ah, there they are, way over there. So there was a menu there that said $19.99. That is the date that the restaurant, the building was built. So this has been a really nice day so far. We are heading to Sanford, and I got the hash browns, and those pancakes was loaded with blueberries and the bacon. So, all right, we'll see you at our next stop. We're going to Sanford. All right, take care.